Good YouTubing, everybody. Thanks for stopping by and checking out this unboxing. We're looking at Transformers Studio Series. This comes from the Transformers movie. This will be BONECRUSHER. Will be 2 out of 6 to create Devastator. That's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and look at the box real quick, take them out, and try to transform them. Let's do it. Okay, off the stand and on the ground. Here he is. Okay, so we've seen these kind of packages before. It's nothing new to us. Let's look at the top there. There goes your Takara Tommy. And also have Transformers, the movie, Constructicon, BONECRUSHER. And you see that logo there. We know the logo. Decepticon. Okay, and then here is the side panel. There you go. There you go. This side. All right. Yes, looks like Devastator. Yep. Okay. And on the bottom, you can pause that, read it if you like. And flip it over to the back side, and this is what your guy will look like. There's Devastator here, Transformers, BONECRUSHER, and that's what he looks like. He is the bulldozer, right? Of some sort. And there he is. Okay, so how many steps? 16 steps? Can we do it? Let's do it. But first, we're gonna open it up. Okay, got the trusty blade. Let's open it up here. Let's do it. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, piece of tape. Boom. Oh, there, destroy the box. That's not what you want to do. You don't want to put the scratches on the boxes. Nope, not like that. Not smooth. Oh, not. Wow, that's not doing a great job. Okay, there we go. Got the one slit through there. That should do it. There we go. All right. Okay. Let's go ahead and pull him out. Nice. Okay. There's your empty box. Nothing else inside. Toss that to the side. You do have. Is that a diorama? Not sure. And you have, I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to open up and see. Okay. And you have, there's your instruction manual to let you know how to put them together. The steps, right? All the steps, 17 of them. 17 steps. Okay. Got it. All right. So he does look pretty decent inside. Okay. The measuring is, let's go ahead and measure him up. I think he is sitting at, let's go for the inches here, right around, it looks like about 6.5 inches. Yeah, 6.5 is what I'm getting. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy off these white straps here. There he goes. That's gone. That's gone. Okay, and this is gone. Yes, there he goes. Okay, there he is. Looking pretty decent. Feels good in hand too. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, rotations. Let's see what the articulation is like. Okay, wow. All right, you have your motions there, of course, for transforming. That looks good. Okay, movements are great. This comes down, of course. Head does rotate like that. Okay, there we are. This moves as well. The legs, and they do rotate there. Okay, you do have some rotations by the feet here. Okay, yep, there they are. They close in, come up like feet, right? You can open them up. There you go. Nice articulation. Swivels here. Cool. Okay, so let's see what was in this special package. Let's do that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and slice that. I don't want to tear the blue. Okay, there we go. That was very dangerous. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so what we have here, let's peel the tape off. Let's be smooth. Calm down. Okay. There we go. And we have weapons. There we go. Blast effect there. Yep. And then, I don't know exactly what this is, but it's something. There you go. Okay, so that's him. Let's go ahead and transform him up, right? Let's be back. Yep, here he is. So it wasn't too hard. I didn't show the steps, but wasn't no need to. Just want to see what it looks like when he's transformed. There he is. You can see that black piece that I said I didn't know what it was. That goes in there, helps for the transformation. There he is, looking really good. There's the blaster on top. Not bad. I do like it. Let's see what the measurements are on him once he's into the bulldozer. Right, let's see here. Okay, right at this centimeters. Don't want to do centimeters. Let's see. Okay. Almost 5 inches. A little above 4.5. Okay. Not too bad. Can't wait to get the rest of them. That'd be nice. 5 more and we have Devastator. Thanks for watching, guys.